In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your profile picture in Google Drive. This process is quite simple and straightforward, and I'll guide you through it step by step. Whether you're setting up a new account or just want a refresh for your existing one, updating your profile picture can help personalize your Google Drive experience. So let's dive right in. We'll start by navigating our way to the Google Drive homepage. Open up your favorite web browser and simply type in Google Drive. Once you're there, you will be prompted to log in if you're not already signed in. Make sure you use the correct credentials for the account you'd like to update. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the Drive homepage, which is essentially your control center for all your stored files. Next up, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. That's where you'll see your current profile picture, or if you haven't yet set one, you'll probably see an icon with your initial or a generic image. Go ahead and click on this area. This step is crucial because it opens up a drop-down menu where you can manage your account settings. When the drop-down menu appears, look closely and you'll see a little pencil icon next to your current profile image. Clicking this will transition us smoothly into the profile picture management area. Clicking on the pencil icon is essentially your gateway to changing your profile image and gives you the canvas to update your visual representation. Once you've clicked on that pencil icon, the next screen will present you with an Add Profile Picture option. It's usually pretty prominent, so it's hard to miss. This is the exact invitation we're waiting for, so go ahead and click on it. This action opens up another window which allows you to explore a few options for adding a new picture. At this point, you'll be given some choices on where to source your new profile picture. You could either upload a new image from your computer, or choose from any existing pictures linked to your Google account, such as those stored in Google Photos. Whichever route you decide to take, ensure the picture you choose reflects whatever brand or personal image you are aiming to project. After all, this image will be connected to your online activities. Once you've selected the perfect image, confirm your choice. Upon doing so, you might need to position or crop your picture to get it just right. Once you're happy, save your changes. And that's all there is to it. Your Google Drive profile picture should now be updated and easily viewable the next time you or anyone else accesses it. Congratulations, you've successfully changed your profile picture in Google Drive. This small task can make a big difference in personalizing your digital workspace. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you now feel more confident in customizing your Google Drive experience. Feel free to revisit this video as often as you need, and happy organizing.